Hey guys, it's Dan from McDonnell Ford. Today we're going to talk about some of the off-road and some of the lifted trucks that we've been doing at the dealership. I know we've posted a lot of different pictures of lifted trucks that we've built here and things like that, so I just wanted to go through this latest one that we've done with you. This is a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew Sport Special Edition. I know it's a bit of a mouthful, but go with me on that. We went on this one because of the fact that it has the nice upgraded black grille with the honeycomb on it, with the tinted headlights, with a lift kit and rims and tires. That's going to look pretty mean going down the road. So the special edition package on the new trucks gives you a tinted headlight and custom grille. It does give you a hood decal as well up on the hood of the truck, which does match to the one that runs down the body of the truck as well. Ford did put the black and red FX4 style emblems on from the older trucks to match. And then Ford will also give you a custom interior with this truck too, that has the red stitching done, seat belts are all done, even to the steering wheel as well being all done in red stitching. So it looks pretty sharp. So with this truck, I know you got the big twin panel moonroof there. So with this one we put what we call the McDonnell Ford off-road package on it, which is going to give you a 3.5-inch ReadyLift SST lift kit, which I've been working with ReadyLift for quite a long time. They're a good brand to work with, and their lift kits seem to be pretty reliable as well. So this one is removable. It is not a lift kit where you cut the frame and change the specs of the truck, so you can remove it for a safety of a truck if you needed to. Then we put on it some of the Bushwhacker fender flares, painted them to match in shadow black to give that truck that aggressive stance. The rims we used is a 20 by 10 with a -12 offset fuel coupler rim in gloss black. And then we put a full 33-inch 305 55 20 KO2 tire on it for BFG. We also went a little bit crazy with the exhaust. We put a MagnaFlow exhaust in the truck and then gave it a 3-inch black Speed FX exhaust tip to make it, just give it that little bit extra growl when you're going down the road with her. And then of course on this truck, the added options to it are the twin panel moonroof, the tailgate step as well. So if you have a lifted truck and you're getting in and out of the bed, that's almost a necessity, because otherwise you're going to have issues with your knees. And then of course the box liner as well from Ford's all a part of the package. So so this one here is a $62,000 truck. We're selling the off-road package on this one at about $9,000 plus tax. And it's looking for a good home. So right now it's truck week at McDonnell Ford, so good discounts, good deals on it. Somebody come take this thing home.